Welcome back, future doctors. Today we are diving in some challenging and MDcat MCQs to sharpen your knowledge. Let's get started. So the first MCQ is cell death is due to damage is called A. Apoptosis, B. Necrosis, C. Cancer, and D. Metastasis. So the correct option is B. Necrosis. The next option is autoclave chambers are used for of surgical instrument A. Sterilization, B. Filtration, C. Desiccation, and D. Radiation. So the correct option is A. Sterilization. The next MCQ is the incubation period of spirals is A. 1 to 2 weeks, B. 2 to 3 weeks, C. 3 to 4 weeks, and D. 7 weeks. So the correct option is 2 to 4 weeks. The next MCQ is muscle fatigue results due to deficiency of dash and excess accumulation of A. Adenosine triphosphate lactic acid, B. Adenosine triphosphate ionic imbalance, C. Glucose lactic acid, and D. Glucose lactic imbalance. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is a male or female child of an affected mother has 50 chance of acquiring the disorder. Such a disorder is A. X-linked X-linked recessive disorder, B. Y-linked dominant disorder, C. Y-linked dominant disorder, and D. Y-linked recessive disorder. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is which is the factory of synthesis of sugar in autotrophic eukaryotes? A. Mitochondria, B. Chloroplast, C. Ribosome, and D. Amyloplast. So the correct option is B. Chloroplast. The next MCQ is the coenzyme NAD is made up of A. Vitamins, B. Amino acids, C. Nucleotides, and D. Sugar. So the correct option is A. Vitamins. The next MCQ is storage disease are caused by the excessive accumulation of substances within the cell due to defects, mutation in one of the dash enzyme A. Amylase, B. Lysosomal, C. Lyase, and D. Lipase. So the correct option is B. Lysosomal. The next MCQ is function of the nucleus is to form A. Nuclear envelope, B. Chromosome, C. rRNA, and D. Cytoplasm. So the correct option is C. The next MCQ is a shallow grow in cerebrum is called dash and deep grow is called A. Sulcus Fisher, B. Fisher sulcus, C. Gyrus Fisher, and D. Fisher's gyrus. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is what being membrane potential in pterosaur? A. Influx are sodium ions across the post synaptic membrane. B. Outflow of sodium ions across the post synaptic membrane. C. Outflow of calcium ion across the post synaptic membrane. D. Influx of potassium ion across the post synaptic membrane. So the correct option is A. Influx of sodium ion across the post synaptic membrane. The next MCQ is what alter the shape of enzyme and makes them function? A. Cofactor, B. Other enzymes, C. Proteins, and D. Both A and C. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is which of the following is known as the vessels of the vessel? A. Vasavaginum, B. Tunica media, C. Tunica externa, and D. Tunica interna. So the correct option is A. The next MCQ is which of the following is true about occurrence of erythroplastosis